Hey divas, it's Angela with Earrings by Angela, and today I'm going to show you a very quick and easy project. We're making leather teardrop earrings, you guys. So I'm going to use this piece of scrap leather. You want to get a piece of scrap leather. Now, where you can buy this, you can buy it online, but you can get a pack of remnant leather pieces at your local craft store, okay? Um, so we're using 26 gauge wire today. And we are also going to need two ear wires, and you see I made these myself, so you can watch that in the previous video. You're going to need your round nose pliers, your wire cutters, and your flat nose, which they're called needle nose, but I call them flat nose, whatever. A pair of scissors, because we're going to be cutting today, and you're going to need your leather punch, okay? So this is a very, very simple project, and we are using, I like to use these little goldstone gemstones because they're sparkly, they're cute, and they're very earthy. I love, love, love earthy. So let's get started. You got your stuff together? Right. So 24 gauge wire, you guys. Very thin. Will you need this much? I like to cut mine long, so just because I like to have room to play. And I'm going to warm the wire before I get started. So take your scrap of leather, fold it in half, okay? And we're just going to cut a teardrop. Don't cry about it, though. It's not that deep. And just go around. Usually, some people draw on their leather or whatever, but I'm not going to do that. Nope, not today. Awesome. So, there we have it. And we're going to punch our leather, okay, using the hole punch. Let's see. We're going to punch our leather and make it great. So, let's do that. I'm going to punch both pieces at the same time. It's not hard, you guys, but put a little muscle into it. Oh, I heard it snip. All right. Awesome. So working with our first piece, you see that nice hole? Awesome. So take your wire, thread it through there, fold it up a little bit so that you have a short tail. And what you're going to do is you're just going to take your fingers and kind of guide the wire around that tail. Around the longer tail, the short tail around the longer tail. So you're actually wrapping. I cheat and use my fingers first, and then I bring in my pliers to clean it up because it's a thing. You see, I'm kind of pinching it a little bit. Right. And I know you're like, well, why is she working with that big piece of wire? Because I want to have room to wrap, you guys. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'm going to add my gemstone onto the wire, just letting it slide down. Wait a minute, you guys. Seriously, I can coordinate. So I'm going to slide it till it's all the way down. Okay? Just like this. Right. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my round nose and I want to make a simple loop. You guys should know how to do this. I'm just wrapping it around, okay, till it touches, until it touches. So now we have it touching the top of the thing. We're going to guide it around the stone because we're caging it. Okay. Just a little. Then I'm going to bring it down because I'm going to do something funky. Okay. So we're here. Now I would like to cut a little bit to leave a tail. I'm always talking about tail. You're going to grab the end of the wire and we're going to roll in towards the leather. Okay, so I've made a loop there. And we're going to grab that loop and using my wrist, I'm just going to continue to roll until it spirals. Okay, see, we're doing a spiral, you guys. I love spirals. I use them a lot in my art. So there, we have that. So that kind of covers up the hole. I'm going to take my cleaners, as I call them, and just squeeze it. Okay, so this is where we are. This is what we have. Okay, so now you want to grab your ear wire. Okay, insert your round nose and open that loop a little bit. Slide your earring on, close the loop so that it kisses, and ta-da, you have your leather teardrop earrings. This is suede leather, you guys, and I think it looks great. Okay, I like the rugged look. So that was quick and easy, less than 10 minutes, and you are a jewelry diva. You guys, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos. And I will see you next time. And the link to our school is in the description box. Keep creating, divas. Until then.